Agni Link is an add-in to your CAD, PDM, or PLM application that creates a bidirectional real-time integration with ERP or other business management applications, all under total user control. It is a connector-based solution that allows customers to mix and match connectors to fit their specific requirements. Let's see how easily we can transfer a complete BOM to the ERP system. When the user triggers the integration, it will get the data from both the ERP and the engineering applications and will resolve automatically discrepancies based on customer-defined rules. It will then present the end user with the data and will use the color-coded cells to indicate the current status of the integration. The end user will then correct the data using convenient copy and paste and editing functions, and also lookups that return data live from the ERP system. Once the data is validated, Agni Link will simultaneously update engineering and ERP data. Now let's see what happened. We have created not only the BOMs but also the items related to those BOMs in the ERP system. Now let's see what happens if a user modifies an item in the ERP system. So we're going to change the description here and change this from, let's say, stapler to prototype stapler. Save the data. Let's see what happens the next time an engineering user will trigger the integration process again. Agni Link will get the data from both sides, resolve the discrepancy automatically, and it will clearly indicate it to the end user. It will take the form of a colored cell here. So all the user has to do is to validate that change by simply approaching the cell with a cursor, and has the option of either reverting to the previous value or simply and manually entering a description, a preferred description. I'm going to redo the synchronization here, and then we'll take a look at our ERP data again. Now you can see that we have changed the description from prototype stapler back to production stapler, as was selected in the integration dashboard. And that is how Agni Link can bidirectionally integrate CAD and ERP data all in perfect harmony.